Hi Crafty Angels, Vanessa here from Angel Rose Designs here on YouTube. Today I'm here with a purchase order share from Natasha, who is a Journey of Crafting here on YouTube. She also has an Etsy shop, which is the same name, Journey of Crafting. I will link it down below in the comment section after this video is done. I pre-opened the little envelope, and here is what is in it. Let's take this off. I love the way she packages her things. I can use this for something. Oh, yes. Here's her business card. And she sent me some little freebies here. It looks like I got a lavender sticker, a ticket, and $500 money. And then her business card. Okay. So, let's put this back in. And put all this back together. I'm going to put her business card back in here. And we're going to get into my order, which is some vellum. It is vellum stickers. And you get so many. I can't even pull them out of the bag. They're slippery. Look how pretty they are. You have this one. They are so, so pretty. And I think it's doubles. I'm not sure of each one. We'll move this out of the way, move that out of the way. This is a variety of the stickers. They're translucent. Oh, I like this one a lot. And sorry if the shininess, the light hits the shiny part of the sticker. And, well, maybe this way is better? Yeah. Okay, I was showing it upside down. Let me try to see if I can get something to put under. There we go. Well, can't concentrate on that, right? Let me see here. How about this? There we go. Oops. Well, let's try the back of this. That one. Oh, this one's pretty. You're going to see a lot of projects coming up soon with all of these translucent stickers. They're so pretty. And I don't know how many is in here, but you get a good deal. And super fast shipping. I will link her down below in the comments. Oops, I forgot to put it on the white background. Then we have this one. That one. They are so, so pretty. I'm going to do more than one at a time. That way it's faster. There's at least 50 stickers in here, I would say. I'm not sure. Don't quote me on it. But I think that's at least how many stickers are in here. I can count them at the end and let you all know. Uh-oh. There we go. Okay. That one. Whoops, I keep putting them on the wrong side. Few more. Whoops, a daisy. This is beautiful. You can use these in junk journals, memory books. You can do a floral book, botanical book. You can use them about anywhere. Just about anywhere. And I got a few projects coming up with these stickers. You can make cards with them. There's a variety of things you can do with these stickers. I mean, literally. Oh, dear Lordy. Like I said, there's at least 50 stickers in here. So, there you go. Gorgeous, gorgeous stickers, right? I'm going to put them back in the little envelope here. So, I have them all back in here. I'm going to put this little envelope in here because I'm going to label it and put it in a drawer. In my ephemera drawer, that is. So, I want to say thank you all for watching. Please be kind, be gentle, and if you haven't already, what are you waiting for? Hit that big red subscribe button down below and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified of when I upload a video, new content or when I go live. Please be safe, be happy, be crafty, stay safe, be gentle, and I will see you all in the next video and on the flip side. Bye-bye for now, crafty angels.